Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an idioms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What does throw in the sponge mean? The correct option is D. To give up or quit. To throw in the sponge means to stop trying because you feel you cannot continue. For example, after many failures, he decided to throw in the sponge. Question 2. What does "don't beat around the bush" mean? The correct option is D. Get to the main point. It means saying something clearly without avoiding the main topic. For example, don't beat around the bush, tell me what happened. Question 3. What does zip your lip mean? The correct option is B. Be quiet. To zip your lip means to stop talking or to remain silent. For example, the teacher told them to zip their lips. Question 4. What does get cold feet mean? The correct option is C. Lose courage. Get cold feet means becoming scared before doing something important. For example, she got cold feet before the competition. Question 5. What does make waves mean? The correct option is A. To cause trouble. It means doing something that attracts attention or causes reaction. For example, he made waves by questioning the rules. Question 6. What does pull strings mean? The correct option is D. Use influence. It means using power or connections to get something done. For example, he pulled strings to get the interview. Question 7. What does put all your cards on the table mean? The correct option is B. To be open and honest. It means sharing all information honestly. For example, she put all her cards on the table during the meeting. Question 8. What does run out of steam mean? The correct option is A. Lose energy. It means becoming too tired to continue. For example, he ran out of steam near the end of the race. Question 9. What does take the plunge mean? The correct option is C, to make a bold decision. It means deciding to do something brave or risky. For example, he took the plunge and started his own business. Question 10. What does think outside the box mean? The correct option is A. Think creatively. It means using new and original ideas. For example, we need to think outside the box to solve this. Question 11. What does turn the tables mean? The correct option is B. Change the situation. It means reversing a bad situation. For example, she turned the tables and won the match. Question 12. What does weather the storm mean? The correct option is D. Survive difficulties. It means staying strong during hard times. For example, the family weathered the storm together. Question 13. What does work against the clock mean? The correct option is C. Work very fast. It means rushing to finish something before time runs out. For example, we worked against the clock to finish on time. Question 14. What does put your foot down mean? The correct option is B. To be firm and strict. It means to refuse to allow something and be very firm. For example, the teacher put her foot down about late homework. Question 15. What does play devil's advocate mean? The correct option is D. Disagree on purpose. It means to pretend to disagree to test an idea. For example, she played devil's advocate to check our plan. Question 16. What does raise the bar mean? That's right. The correct option is C. Increase standards. It means setting higher expectations. For example, the coach raised the bar for the team. Question 17. What does sweep under the rug mean? The correct option is B. Hide a problem. It means hiding an issue instead of fixing it. For example, they swept the mistake under the rug. Question 18. What does take the bull by the horns mean? The correct option is D. Deal with it bravely. It means dealing with a problem directly and bravely. For example, she took the bull by the horns and spoke up. Question 19. What does beating a dead horse mean? The correct option is C. Argue over nothing. It means to waste time on something that is already settled. For example, talking about it again is just beating a dead horse. What does tie the knot mean? It means to get married. To tie the knot is a common way to saying getting married. For example, they tied the knot last summer. Question 21. What does under your belt mean? The correct option is C. Have experience. It means having experience or achievements. For example, she has years of training under her belt. Question 22. What does walk a mile in someone's shoes mean? That's right, the correct option is D. Understand their feelings. It means trying to understand another person's situation. For example, walk a mile in his shoes before judging him. Question 23. What does on cloud nine mean? The correct option is A. Extremely happy. It means being very happy. For example, she was on cloud nine after winning the prize. Question 24. What does blow your own trumpet mean? The correct option is B. Praise yourself. It means talking proudly about yourself. For example, he's always blowing his own trumpet. Question 25. What does don't put the cart before the horse mean? The correct option is B. To do things in order. It means doing things in the correct order. For example, don't put the cart before the horse. Finish your homework before playing games. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new and I'll see you next time. Bye.